call upon Dr. Saujanya J to present an article based on various dimensions of Deva Vyapashraya with its possible rationality, a Jignasa.
Good evening everyone. Om Dhanvantaraye Namaha. Myself Dr. Saujanya, Assistant Professor, Department of Kaya Chikitsa from Sri Dharmasthala Manjunatheshwara Institute of Ayurveda and Sciences, Bengaluru. Moving into my article, various dimensions of Daiva Vyapashraya Chikitsa with its possible rationality, a Jignasa. So, you all had heard nowadays about Ayurveda. Ayurveda is a scientific science and a medical science which mainly deals with the aim of swasthasya swasthya rakshanam and aturasya vikara prashamanam. So it is a science which not only cures the disease but also helps to not recover recurrence of the disease and also maintains the health of an healthy individual. So what is this Daiva Vyapashraya Chikitsa? Usually it is states that Daiva is something which is spiritual, which is magical, which is irrational, but it is not. We the Ayurvedic physicians mainly deals with the diseases by means of three treatment modalities. One is Yukti Vyapashraya, one is Daiva Vyapashraya and one more is Sattva Vajaya. Yukti Vyapashraya is a treatment modality where we will deal with the diseases by means of medications and the medicaments by single formulations or multiple formulations. Sattva Vajaya is a line of treatment where there are psychotic disorders or psychiatric conditions will be treated by means of medications. While this Daiva Vyapashraya is always a question mark. What is this? What is this Daiva? Whether this is something irrational, whether this is something over spiritual? Absolutely not. Here I had emphasized a review article in an international journal, that is the Daiva Vyapashraya Chikitsa, which deals with the following aspects. The first one is Mantra Chikitsa. Usually a clinical aspects we will forget about this Daiva Vyapashraya Chikitsa by treating a disease. I want to take a quote on Vishnu Sahasranama in which the last state or verse states that Artha Vishanna Shithila Prabhedaha Ghoreshu Cha Vyadhishu Vartamanaha Sankirtya Narayana Shabdha Matram Vimukta Dukha Sukhino Bhavantu, which states that even in the present era while chanting the Vishnu Sahasranama, the Vishama Jwara can be cured. The Vishama Jwara concept is fever of unknown origin. Even the medical science doesn't have any result or medications for it. The paracetamol is usually used, but still sometimes it doesn't work in a case of fever of idiopathic origin or unknown origin, where a clinical study has been taken in our institution on 30 patients and they had been told to chant Vishnu Sahasranama Shloka for daily, from morning till the evening continuously for 30 times without leaving, and we had seen tremendous result of reduction in the temperature. That has been published in ISSN journal. You can see it in IAJM, it is available. And the mainly how it acts. Whether it is something which acts magically? No, really not. It acts on the cellular composition. The sound vibrations based on this special mantras acted on the cellular composition and it acted at the level of intracellular fluids, and thus the inflammatory changes and cytokines were reduced based on the theory. The other aspects are such as Aushadha Chikitsa, Manidhara, and I won't emphasize on everything because it was a review article and only one clinical study has been done, and other things we are thinking to incorporate further. So Homa, Havana, Dhumana, Karma, Niyamana and etc. I want to conclude that Ayurveda is a scientific science where almost we have a misconception that it is not scientific, it is something irrational or it is something which is magical, and it is very slow. It is absolutely not. That should get out from a person's mind and public should get awareness towards Ayurvedic science, because I am a physician, I am standing here, I had treated n number of patients by means of Ayurvedic medications. It is not slow, it is not irrational, it is not spiritual. It is a scientifically based proven science and an ancient medical science which we will practice even today. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
One question, ma'am.
Yes.
Just to understand, we are from engineering field. Okay. Can this Ayurveda can be practiced for people who are in emergency?
Of course, sir.
Who are
we
dying.
have a tremendous physicians who are practicing emergency medicine in case of Ayurveda.
People who are dying, can they chant the slokas and mantras?
It is
and
the
Daiva Vyapashraya Chikitsa is applicable only for a specific pathophysiology of a disease and a specific disease aspect, not in all case of emergencies, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
in Ayurveda. During chanting of mantra, whatever may be thing, Vishnu Sahasranama, whatever may be, you say that there is a change in the cellular composition.
Yes, sir.
And on the other side, people who are with yoga and other things, with the meditation, etc., they say that, and I too part of a yoga, we say that there is a, triggering of the different chakras. So how can you justify? This is also a science which is also coming out with a proof.
Yes.
So how can you say that that's effective?
Sir, I am not well expertise in yoga or chakras. I am a physician. So my aspect is only of treating a physician because treating a disease by means of medicaments and by means of Daiva Vyapashraya Chikitsa. Sir, I am not well versed in yoga.
Okay, no, that cellular composition change, how do you justify? How do you prove?
Sir, we had done an experiments by taking an inflammatory reactors. The cytokines levels were reduced. It has been published in International Journal of Ayurvedic Medicine. You can review on it.
Fine. Thank you.
Yeah.
Just can you give the slide that Bali Puja, whatever that? Actually, here, whoever there is only wonderful thing in a South Karnataka, Dakshina Karnataka. So where you are staying, Dharmasthala, na?
Yeah.
Yes, Dharmasthala. Dharmasthala is called in Udupi, Mangaluru, Shivamogga. That area is called Land of Cobra. Okay. There everyone will perform this Daiva Vyapashraya, means Bali Puja, whatever, Kola, etc. That's why even still there are 0 cases of snake bite. Is it true or not?
Absolutely true.
Yes. The people everywhere, they pray the Naga Puja and Naga Banna. That's why they are all following the Daiva Vyapashraya. They never kill any snakes and they never harm snakes. That's why there is no any 0 cases and 0 cancer cases in that area. That is called Daiva Vyapashraya, and I'm glad to you giving this such a presentation to everyone.
Thank you for adding to my presentation.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you all.
Thank you very much, both of you, for this wonderful information.